Hello everyone, this is Praveen Podel, and today I have come up with a video of the solution of the problem which I have been facing while uploading or moving video or picture to the file or to the folder where you want to move it using PHP code. Sometimes it may not work, and this video is a solution for this issue. Okay, so let's begin. Let me first surf to the code which I have written. This code, what it does is simply it takes video or image file, and after you click the submit button, this code will get executed and the file you have chosen will move to this folder, db image, right? Now whenever I try to execute it, it will throw me a error, and if I check to this folder, nothing has been stored inside it. Okay, it is empty. The first solution is for specifically Linux user, because this problem may not arise for Mac or Windows user, so you can ignore it. For the Linux user, open the terminal in the VS Code, then list the files inside this PHP practice folder with this command ls-ela. Here, if you observe closely, you will see read, write, execute permission for super user and normal user, but not for the guest user, right? First you have to change this permission for guest user to read and write. To do so, type this command chmod plus 777 and the folder name. Now again, if you see the same folder, now read and write permission has been also assigned to it. Okay. Again, if I refresh the browser and again try to upload it, still it shows error, right? After changing the permission also, it throws you an error. That means there is something you have to change in its configuration file. So where is the configuration file? To find the path of the configuration file, comment all the code and then type php info and semicolon. Now if you again refresh the browser, you will see this list. First thing you have to notice is where is this PHP ini file. Okay, the path for me is oplamp etc php.ini. For Windows user, you may not require the path. You can access this file using GUI also, and you go to the XAMPP folder. Inside it, there you can find PHP folder. Inside PHP folder, there is PHP ini file. Now in that PHP ini file, we are going to make some changes. Okay, remember the path. Now you surf down to this core and look at the max post max size, that is 8 that means 8 MB. Another, there is upload max file size 8 MB. Because this two are very little in size, that's why your video or picture are not getting uploaded. So to increase the size, open the terminal, go to the root, and last time also I mentioned you have to remember this path that is oplamp etc, inside which we can find the PHP ini file. Now let's surf to that file. Here you can see PHP ini. For the Windows users also the procedure is same, just the point is you have to access this file and open it in any text editor like Notepad, and you can change the configuration. Okay, now for the Linux user, type nano sudo nano php.ini. You can see it opens one configuration file. Here inside you have to check for uploads. Here you can see file uploads is off. Turn it on. Remember, O capital, N small. Then surf to upload max file size and change it. It is in MB, so as per your requirement you can make increment, and for me now 400 MB will be enough. After doing this, again you have to search for post underscore max. Here also you can see the size has been set to 8 MB. Make increment so that it will be enough for your file processing. Save it and exit. After doing this, you can just simply restart your PC. Now let me check it. Local host PHP practice question number 1 PHP. Now if you scroll to the core and if you check post max size, here is 400 MB and upload max file size is also 400 MB. That means our change has come into effect. Now remove this syntax and uncomment the code, save it and again run it. Now if you upload a picture, file has been moved successfully. It's just a image, it's small in size. Let me try with the little bit heavy file and make sure that is below your limit. Okay, for me the limit is 400 MB. I can use any file smaller than that, and let me upload this, which is 186.1 MB. I selected it and submit it. Now let me check it in the folder. Both the image and video has been transferred to this folder. So this was the solution for the issue. Hope this will help in your coding journey. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. And if you have any such issue which you are facing and you are unable to solve it, please comment on my video and I'll try to solve it as soon as possible. Thank you.